So hello children, let's begin with your fourth chapter of EVS, that is our body, a wonderful machine. So in this chapter what all we will learn, see what is our body is made up of, in that what is cell, what is tissue and what are the organs, how the organ system is made up of and how the digesting system it will work. See, I'll give you some scenario, okay. While playing you fell down, you got hurt for your knee, the blood started coming out from your knee. What your mother will do, she will apply antiseptic cream and she will bandage it, she will do bandage and it will go forever, for you will be okay for that. Now I will ask you one question. How blood will come out from your knee? You got hurt and the blood started coming out from your knee. So in our body small tubes are there. In that tube the blood is circular, the blood is going through the small tubes in our body. When we got hurt from here, the blood started coming out from your area, from the hurted area. So why we can't see that small tubes in our body? Some part of our body we can see the small tubes, like some on your hand or some wrist, small blue color line we can see, we call it as tubes. The blood is flowing in that, okay. We can't see that. What is there below? After this, muscle is there. What is there? The muscle. Below the muscle what is there? Below the muscle bone is there. Okay, below the muscle bone is there. So let's find out how our body is made up of. Now let's begin. What is our body is made up of? See, just like see how the house is constructed. For the house what is support is given, like pillars or some bamboo. With the bamboo or pillars the house is support. The house is taken the support from pillar. And how the umbrella is support, how it is given, how the umbrella will stand? With the help of ribs. Ribs are there inside the umbrella. The ribs support is given to the umbrella. Similarly, the bony structure is there inside human body. We call it as skeleton. We call it as skeleton. How the house, for the house the pillar is given to support. Similarly in our body the skeleton is given to support our body. So in our body, like see all the living things like an animal or a plant and human being, all it is constructed with the cell. Cell, how it will look? Now I will show you how the cell will look. See, in our body thousands of tiny small cell is constructed human body. This is called it as cell. Only here it is, I have shown you one single cell. Some animals they have only single cell. In our human body there are millions of tiny small cells are there. But in some animals they have only one cell, like a amoeba. Amoeba, it has only one cell in that, okay. But in our human body there are millions of cells we have. And now what is tissue? What is tissue now? See, similar type of cells joined together. Similar type of cells joined together, we call it as tissue. I'll repeat once again. Similar type of cells. This is one cell. Similarly, the same way, one cell, 2, 3, 4, 5 millions of cells, similar types of cells together to join a tissue. Now next is, what is organ? What is organ now? Different type of tissues. Different type of tissues joined together. We call it as organ. Okay. Different types of tissues to join a form of organ. So, which sense organ help to you smell? Tell me. Through nose we can smell. Through which organ we can taste? The tongue. Is it right? So, which organ help in digesting your food? I think you will get bit puzzled. Okay. Single organ carry out the process of digestion. Single organ. Single organ means multiple tissues. Multiple tissues. Single organ can process your digesting system. See now, here is a one picture on the page number 54. Okay. See, this is a now how in a football team, to get a goal, multiple players are there in a football team. So, to get one goal, all the players should be active. Then only goal can be achieved. Similarly, in our body also, when the group of organs cooperate to carry out the functions of our body, we call it as organ system. If the organ system work properly, then in our body will work exactly. Okay. See here. On the page number 54, they have shown one image how our organ system will work. See, this is a cell. Okay. A group of similar cell are called tissue. Okay. Different type of tissues can call it as organ. Okay. Now, different type of organs together we call it as a organ system. See here, even I have shown this. See here, this is one cell. Okay, this is one cell. A similar group of cell is called tissue. A different type of a tissue joined together we called it as organ, like a nose. This is an organ. Which organ it is? Smelling organ. And different organ together we called it as organ system. Okay. Now I will show you one video. Please watch that. Watch it carefully. And next part we will start how our digestive system it will work.
Unit 3. Our human body. A wonderful machine. Just as a house is supported by concrete pillars, a mandap is supported by a bamboo structure, an umbrella is supported by the metal ribs. Similarly, our body is supported by a bony structure called the skeleton. It gives us strength and also protects our delicate organs. Cells to organ system. Cells. Look at this house. It is made up of a number of bricks. Similarly, our body is made up of millions of tiny units called cells. All living things are made up of cells. Tissues. Cells of similar type join together to form a tissue. There are many types of tissues on the basis of different types of cells they are made up of. The tissues that make up the muscles are different from the tissues that make up the bones. Organs. Different types of tissues join to form an organ. Eyes, nose, tongue are organs that are made up of tissues that help us to see, smell, and taste. A football game can only be won if all the players play it in a coordinated manner. Similarly, our body organs also need to function in a coordinated manner for us to live a healthy life. When a group of organs cooperate with one another to carry out a function of the body, we call it an organ system. Look at this diagram showing the journey of a cell to form an organ system. Now, let's look at the organ systems in our body and how these systems function. The digestive system.